Mustang GT before. It's got just a simple muffler delete on it right now. GT50. There's sound decibels. 118. So it's still got the factory resonator on it. We're going to take it off and install an X pipe in its place. Stay tuned, guys. So on this Mustang, they did a muffler delete, as you guys can see. And now we're going to take that resonator out because that resonator is making it way too quiet. Still got the factory converters. They replaced it with that double helix by CORSA. CORSA's famous for the double helix X pipe. It's cool. Stay tuned, guys. Check out this wild horse, guys, in its natural habitat. 2024 Ford Mustang GT50. Sexy wheels, sexy car. Let me show you guys, we did something different on this one. So it's got the factory converter there, Then we took the mid resonator out, and this is a flex pipe, guys, if you don't know. Took the mid resonator out, and he brought us a CORSA double helix X pipe. As you guys can see, really clean, really nice. Double helix. And there's the CORSA Performance. It had a muffler delete before. Somebody else did that work on it. They didn't do a bad job. I wish they would have put a little bit bigger pipe on it. It's ran in 2 1/4. Should have been at least 2 1/2 or 3 inch, but it's okay. He's gonna bring it back because he's gonna cut here to make it a double tip. Once he cuts the bumper for us, we're gonna run him some dual tips out the back or quad tips instead of the single dual tips. As you guys can see right now. So he's gonna cut that out over there, and we're gonna put quad carbon fiber tips. We appreciate him coming down all the way from Texas. We hooked him up. As you guys can see, it's got a nice sexy wing on it on the back. And there's the original resonator that was on it that we took off. And believe it or not, it's actually the same style resonator that was on the older generations too. So they didn't change the exhaust much on these new generations. Anyways, they changed the tune, but not the exhaust. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Go ahead. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Hit 124. You know now it's breathing, right?
It's fucking breathing now.
I love it. So he's got a supercharged Mustang.
Yeah, I got a supercharged.
He's hiding out on us. He needs to bring it in.
I'll be back.
All right. That sounds good. Yeah, it definitely needs the cold air, bro. It needs it. You can hear it. It's choked. The more air you get in, the more air you can get out, you know? That sounds so good. I like it. It's cool. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang GT before. It's got just a simple muffler delete on it right now. GT50. Here's sound decibels. 118. So it's still got the factory resonator on it. We're going to take it off and install the next pipe in its place. Stay tuned, guys. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Hit 124. You know now it's breathing, right?
It's fucking breathing now.
I love it. You know? So guys, this one has the performance package. So it's got the upgraded Brembo brakes.
Yeah, it's line lock, the drift brake, pretty much everything that you want on a Mustang right now so far. I do need the supercharger on it though.
That's next. Pop the hood for me. Yeah, and it come with this too. The other ones didn't come with that. Yeah, with the hood scoop. So if you guys wondered what they look like, look at that. Woo. Imagine with the cold air intake and a supercharger on top. Oh, be heaven on earth.
I have mine custom, fully painted and everything too.
Yeah, or do a custom wrap.
Yeah.
That's nice. All right, guys, you ready to hear it drive off? I am. Got the 360 camera in. Here we go. Oh yeah, I like it. It sounds so good. It's a good looking car. Wow. One second, guys. Still can hear it. There we go. That's a little bit better. He's making up for it. He's making up for the family drive off. quick. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Sounds phenomenal. Do you notice a difference in power?
Yeah.
Really?
It started sliding a little bit more.
Yeah.
Especially when I had it in sports mode.
Yeah.
It just opened up a lot more.